Your Weekend Gardener, doing a follow-up to this tree right here. I know if you haven't watched my first video, you saw these in the background and wondered what they were, but this is actually decoys for birds and squirrels. What I did is, you see it in another video where I had some styrofoam balls and I painted them the color red and the color green for like apples, represent apples, cherries, any kind of fruit that's red or green. That's what I try to represent. And the goal was I had the birds come after them, knock them off, bite on them, chew on these things, and then hopefully it's like a little distraction or deterrent. They figure that they see these pretty things on the tree, they realize it's not fruit. The goal is for my fruit not to be attacked by birds and squirrels this year. I saw something over here the other day. Check this out. This is how I know it's working. Evidence that it's working. I believe this was squirrels. Squirrels came after this and they got disappointed. Styrofoam in the mouth. I love it. Blue Damson plum tree. I just went ahead and put everything on here because I didn't feel like, well, I still might go through and just put random balls on each of these trees. Anything to deter, repel, fool, trick, sucker these animals and thinking that there's no good fruit on this property. Thanks for watching.